so happy. Dagko na sila. Thank you Lord. 1 year old. Kana replant na. Kambyuhan ako na inin ako balik. So sad. I have a very limited time. My vacation. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, cute ka. Yan. Isn't it amazing?